Hello everybody, what is up? I'm Gracie Davidson, your social media coordinator here at the ITC and a current digital marketing major at UAH. We're going to talk about the basics of social media marketing and the different platforms that are beneficial to your company. Did you know the average person spends an hour and 40 minutes on social media and that social media usage makes up about 28% of the time we spend on the internet? Social media marketing can be endlessly profitable, and almost all businesses understand the importance of investing into social media. Marketing with social media can help you accomplish 7 things: community and relationship building, brand awareness, announce new products or development, promote events, increase site traffic, driving leads and sales, providing value to your audience. Compared to any other marketing technique, social media marketing relies on transparency. This allows your audience and consumers to connect with you and your business. Now that you know what you can accomplish with social media, it's time to talk about the platforms you should consider. There are numerous media sites you can join, but here are the platforms with the largest and most engaged audience, and most businesses should consider joining. Facebook pages allow customers to see your business hours, store location, write reviews, and view all your latest content. Many businesses use Facebook as their main point of social media marketing by sharing lots of content and trying to generate a discussion on the platform. Facebook even lets you set up tailored ads, and by doing so, you can reach a new audience quickly or even give your post some help in the news feed. Twitter helps to generate a discussion. Just dumping a link and calling it a Twitter post is not an effective use of Twitter. You need to have a conversation with others and create engagement. You can create thought-provoking content, polls, question-based posts that are more designed to get retweets and responses. Instagram is one of the more visual platforms, consisting of videos and pictures. Also, Instagram has many diverse followers and is a rapid growing platform, having some of the highest engagement rates out of all platforms. To maximize your usage on Instagram, create stories, newsfeed posts, make a heavy use of hashtags to generate a discussion, encourage user-generated content to help attract new followers. If you're in a business-to-business industry, LinkedIn should be one of the first profiles you make. LinkedIn allows for recruitment of new employees and to promote your business. LinkedIn is a valuable resource. It's where professionals go to share industry news, and you may see a slightly higher engagement of discussion on LinkedIn posts than you would a Twitter post. To get the most out of LinkedIn, you should be posting content that both peers and potential customers would find valuable, actionable, and thought-provoking. Using keywords is an important part of YouTube marketing. Place them in the video's title, description, and tags. You can create videos that provide value to your audience through tutorials, how-to demonstration, Q&As, and informational content that your audience is actively looking for. YouTube can be approached as a mixture of content marketing and social media marketing. Remember to always send traffic back to your main site when it's possible, as that's a crucial part of finding success on this platform. Here's how to get started with social media marketing once you or your company is ready to start. Choose what goals you want to achieve. This can be finding new employees, building relationships, or promoting an event. Identify which platforms would benefit your company most. Pick 1 or 2 platforms. Most businesses choose Facebook first, but the second platform you choose will depend on your type of business. Create a content schedule. You can use software or even a content calendar. I personally use a calendar via paper and my Mac because I can lay it out by the month or week. Then I prioritize what content needs to be done first. Find streams of content. The sheer amount of content that you need is crazy. Find influencers and non-competing businesses and share their content with your target audience. Regularly share their content on platforms. Monitor everything constantly. Watch your own platform analytics to see what type of contents users are engaging with and your social trends over time. Watch your page's opportunities for engagement. Answer questions as fast as possible. Thank users for their reviews and engage with comments and responses as often as possible. This is essential for community and relationship building, which is what social media marketing is all about. Social media marketing has an enormous and diverse audience. It's an excellent opportunity to nurture relationships and build an online community. Just remember that for social media to benefit your business, it must be carefully maintained and monitored. If you want to learn more about social media marketing or want to learn how to use Pinterest or Snapchat for marketing, go to disruptiveadvertising.com to learn more or click on the link in the description below. We also have a Marketing 101 podcast with Madison Travis and Megan Nivens, the CEO and founder of Flourish. They cover Canva, social media, and a few other marketing techniques. You can find that link and any other link mentioned in the description below. Don't forget to follow us on all social media pages so you can stay updated. You can find us at UAH I2C. Bye guys, onward and upward.